we're moving into one of the most critical times in recent history for human beings. And we aren't in a place anymore where the world is going to give us what we want, because it may not. We may not even know what we want. We, as human beings, have the capacity to create reality where we're standing. As simply as I can possibly say it, everything that's happened on this planet that we are associated with in any way, we have created by our collective consciousness. That's why in the Money Pod, I'm so grateful to the 30 people on it, because we're creating a new relationship within which the reality of money can occur. This is what makes this period of time so critical. The actual truth is that we don't know our own design. And there's a miracle that happens when we, in this 7 weeks, we just very graciously and very easily sort of slide into the remembrance of how we were actually designed. And something happens when we do that. What happens is that our cells drink the information, because the information is consistent with our design. And this is the power of remembrance. The power of remembrance is when our cell, our DNA, hears, it's through resonance, not through words, but they resonate because we hear the words, actually hear the substance, their own substance reflected back to them. Then these templates within us, we're going to be teaching you templates, but these templates within us quicken, and we become available for what we actually are. So when I use the word template, I mean both. These templates are designed in a very specific way. They're designed in a mathematical sequencing that actually elicits the same energetic trigger as if your DNA were stimulated, because they're made of the same mathematical equation or sequencing that your DNA is made of. It's also made of, these are formulated from the very exact template of your cellular structure and of your DNA structure. So it's so fascinating when you begin to do them, because you can't figure out why you're having the experiences you're having, when it would just seem that you're writing, 3 series of 3 sentences and then a combo at the very end. But your DNA, your cells, are remembering through the mathematical sequencing that these templates are designed from. If you want, they're designed from the golden mean or the Fibonacci sequencing, but you don't really need to know that. I just want you to know that when you're doing these templates, you're feeding your cells and you're having your DNA remember and also activate original templates of your design. And this is the part that makes it so flabbergasting or so hard to believe it could be true. And you'll forget 1,000,000 times, so don't worry about it. I did too. But the most interesting thing is when your cells are awakened, their template, not me imposing a template on you or Mary imposing a template on you. But when your cells awaken in the original template of your design, your connection to the great living whole, we call it sometimes or to creation, it's as if the road rises to meet you. It's as if you find yourself in the reality that you have been saying you can't find. And it's because your the universe is created by a certain formula of creation. And when we step back into that formula of creation, the distortion that we've been existing in dissolves, or it actually lets go, or actually ceases to exist, actually. And you're suddenly present that what is yours to do, yours to be, and yours to have. And then it's, we always think, okay, if I'm present to what's mine to do, mine to be, mine to have, then I need to know what to do. I need to know what to be. I need to know what to have. But at the end of this 6 weeks, what you'll actually begin to discover is that you find yourself being what's yours to be. You find yourself doing what's yours to do. And you find yourself having what is yours to have. You're not all of us. I wasn't born for a Rolls Royce. That's not mine to have. A Prius, however, is mine to have. You know, not all people are born to have a dog. I'm born to have a dog. You know, I'm born to be the way I'm designed to be. And all of us are designed to be exactly the way we're designed to be, because we're a note in the orchestra of creation. And that note carries everything it needs to be part of the greater whole, of which we are a unique and essential part.